So, electrolysis rust remove valve. As you can tell, don't worry about that, it's a stirring spoon. This is one of the wire cap thingies off that kid car out there. And you can tell it looks like sheet. So we're going to see if we can make it look better. What we're going to do is take some of this sodium hydroxide. Now it says use it says use a pound per 5 gallons. We're not doing all that because I think that's just for cleaning, and we're not just cleaning. Now I will say you got to pour this stuff in there kind of slow because it could tend to get a little warm, and you got to mix it as you go. So just put a little bit in there, just a little bit on there. Get in there nice, like that's probably enough. Yeah, maybe a little more. That might be enough. Sure, we'll try that. Once you stir that up, don't get the shit on your skin or either because it's bad. You need a sacrificial anode. And what I'm using here is a piece of flat stock, just whatever bullshit flat stock steel. Clean it up a little bit first, though. So you got that right there. Make sure it's clean. You take positive side to your battery charger. Okay, put that on there. Then you put your what you're going to work with right here. Now, I've never done this with copper because it's all I got at the moment. So we're going to see if that works. I don't know if it's going to or not. I usually use like mechanics wire, some shit like that, but I don't have any of that right now. Do not let this touch that. You understand? You stick that in that water like so. Okay. And then you take your negative side of your battery charger, for your batteries. Put it on there like so. Get that a little bit better. Batteries. Make sure it's off before you plug it up. Don't make fun of my battery charger. It's a piece of shit. I've had it for a long time. It's junk. But it should do what we gotta do here. Hook that up. I'm like, okay. And then now we're gonna start out with just a regular 2 amp, 12 volts. That's pretty good. Oh, hello, boopsie shit. And we're bubbling. I think that's 2 amp, right? Oh, wait a minute. That was 20 amp. Sorry. Wait a minute here. Sorry. That was... No. I don't know. I don't know. It's either 10 or 20. I don't know. Let's see what we got going on. She's already bubbling. You see it? Let's turn that down some, I think. That's too much. That's a little too much, I think. She's already bubbling now. See the sacrificial piece over there doing some bubbling? Too warm yet. The water will get a little warmer. She's you see it bubbling. What will happen is the rust will come off of that piece and attract to that anode. A little bit of heat in there. Not bad though. Yeah, it's already doing its deal. That's cool. And basically just let this thing sit. So what I'm probably going to do is put the my other camera up here on like a time lapse thing. Just let it roll. And just just because this does take a while, so we'll see what happens. And we'll see what happens with the wire weights. I don't know. Guess we'll find out, won't we? But she's bubbling. I don't know if you can see it or not. You see it bubble over there on that anode or that piece of steel. So let's find out. Okay.
Sometimes a thief still starts dying. Flakes fall red like wounded pride. I reach for acid burning clean, a war inside.
These are actually the next day. I haven't had this now. It hadn't run overnight. Don't think that. I probably kicked it on about time did I kick it on? I don't know. Noon, 1 o'clock, something like that. I turned it on. I turned it back on rather. It's 5 o'clock now. So it's been right. Altogether, I'd say it's probably been 7-ish hours. You know, in total. And I did add a second anode. I did that today. So you're bubbling still. But we're going to pull her out in a minute, and that thing bubbling. I don't know if you see it or not. Let's see. It does put off some fumes, so you gotta be careful of that. But yeah. I had to pause that for a minute because my dog was getting into it. The neighbor's dog through the fence, so that happens. Alright, I'm gonna cut this thing off. We're gonna pull that thing out and see what it looks like. And maybe dip it back in there and let it eat some more, or maybe we won't. I don't know. But I gotta see if I have a wire brush or something. But that's the other thing too, when you do this, be prepared to coat it with something pretty quickly, because it will flash rust pretty fast. Because, you know, you basically shocked it down to bare metal. So that's going to be a before. It's one of the other ones, but I mean, they all looked a lot alike. They're all jacked up, effed up, and yeah, you know. So that's a before one, right? And there's one after. Now it could go in there a little bit longer, which I'm going to put it in there a little bit longer, because like on the back sides here, it still can get some off. These didn't turn out too bad. But, you know, if you want to set them side by side. So, like I said, I'm going to put this one back in here for a little bit. But what I'm going to change a couple things up. I tied this copper line to both sides, and I'm going to hook it in the middle. So it cooks evenly, because it was cooking hard on this side, you know, on the side that the wire was on. So we'll give it another few minutes in there. Look at the crap it's in there. Ew. And look, check out this anode. That's not too bad. Kind of funky here. So yeah, we're going to cook a little bit longer and see what happens.
Years of weight, corrosion, sting. Chains that drag won't let me sing. But acid speaks with no regret. It hisses, whispers.
Alright, so it's excuse me. It's been a couple more hours. I think we're gonna pull this thing out of here and see what it looks like, because obviously I can't see what it looks like right now. There's no chunky shit running around there. Cut that off. Oh, Jesus Christ. Somebody's putting on some fumes, I can tell you that. Whew. I had a fan going here and everything, but whew, not enough. Oh, man. Make sure you're in a well-ventilated area when you do this. I mean, I got my shed doors, everything open, but you stand over top of it, it's gonna bust your ass up. Let's see here. Okay. Yeah, welding gloves work just fine. I'll tell you one thing, it's freaking cold out here. I don't like it at all, not even a little bit. I hate wintertime. God, I hate wintertime with a passion. Actually, I probably don't need this back. Hate it with a freaking passion, y'all. I used to not mind it, but ever since my thyroid got all fucked up, I can't handle it. I'm like a big sissy. Oh yeah, it looks better already. Alright, let me go spray this thing off real quick. I'll be right back. Don't go nowhere. So again, we're going to do a comparison. This is the old, well, this is the one that hasn't been done. So you see how just jacked up it is. I mean, this one's pretty damn bad. I mean, you see where it's rusted all the way through almost. I mean, it's pretty yucky. So that's hasn't been done, obviously. Because if it had been done, I wouldn't be showing it to you, because that'd be kind of pointless. Right? Right. This has been done. Like I said, no, it's not perfect. Don't get me wrong. Now, if I were to scrub this thing like with an SOS pad, which is really what I need, I just sprayed it off. That's all I think I did. I mean, this is just straight off the water hose. And, well, I mean, I kind of wiped it off a little bit, but if I took an SOS pad to it, it would take the rest of that black shit off there. That's just residual shit that's on there. I'm not worried about it at the moment. This is just showing you what electrolysis does. As far as this thing goes, as for that car, I'm not doing much more than what it's at. I might shoot it with clear. I'll probably shoot it with clear and let it eat. And I might hit it with an SOS pad real quick. But that's all I'm gonna do. I mean, you take it. And there's the shit down the bottom. Ew. Matter of fact, let's oh, it's a doggy. Well, hello, little doggy. I'm good now. You can't come in here. You can't come in here, little doggy. It's a doggy. It's a big stinky. It doesn't eat out too bad, I don't guess. But it's definitely got nasties in there. So anyway, yeah. That's gonna do it. Don't make fun of my light. It's dark outside. That's gonna do it for this here episode of this. Hoping to have that car running maybe tomorrow. This you'll see this part on there too. It's this. Look at that. That's a town belt tensioner with a hole in it. It's on a sat. Anyway, yeah, that's gonna do it for now. Do me a favor, like, comment, share, subscribe. That would be fantastic. Dead dog up there. And yeah, that's electrolysis in its greatest form. And it works good, you know. Obviously, if you had a bigger vat, you can put bigger shit in it. I plan on doing a couple. I'm gonna do all the wheels in it, all the wire and whatever the hell those things are. What else am I gonna do? Obviously, I can't fit the whole rim in there. I don't know, maybe a couple small pieces here and there. I might half dip the bumpers. I don't know. We'll see. Like do half the bumper at a time or something. I don't know. My plan for that car is to get it together pretty quickly and sell it. Just because, I mean, it's cool and all, but it's not my thing. So, anyway. That's going to do it, y'all. Appreciate you watching. If you made it this long, if not, whatever. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Stay true to yourself. We'll see you later. Bye.